Hey, welcome back, my fellow investors. It's me, ET. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a company that I have a laser focus on. It's a dividend paying company. The company is IVR, Invesco Mortgage Capital. Now, my goal with the IVR is to accumulate 5,000 shares. And by doing so, I'll be able to take advantage of the high yield as well as the capital appreciation. Now, I've created an IVR tracker, and this is designed to track my progress to those 5,000 shares. So let's go ahead and take a look at this tracker.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks.
Yes, I definitely believe that Invesco Mortgage Capital is a great, in my opinion, is a great long-term investment. I think that it will continue to give us a high yield, and there's so much upside potential when it comes to this stock. IVR is a REIT, is a real estate investment trust company. The company invests in residential-backed, mortgage-backed securities, which are guaranteed by the United States government agency. The company also invests in commercial mortgage-backed securities and residential mortgage-backed securities, which are not guaranteed by the U.S. government agency as well. Now, this article from Yahoo says that the top 10 Russell 2000 stocks with high dividend yields, you guessed it, towards the bottom there, you'll see that Invesco Mortgage Capital is a good stock to invest in. Now, this here is the most current rankings smart score from Tip Ranks. The last one that I did last month had a smart score of a 7, which was neutral. This one here is a 5, which is also neutral. We see that hedge funds are decreasing, insiders are increasing. This here is a 1-year chart. We see that it's currently about $2.68. We see that the 1-year high was $4.60. And if you look over here, we see that the dividend information here pays out quarterly 9%, 13.43% annual dividend yield. We see the shares held by institutions, 51%. The short interest is 7.4, which is low. One of the main reasons why I like this company here, and I think that it has great upside potential, is for this reason right here. This is back in March of 2022 when the CV19 hit. A lot of the REITs charts will look the exact same. So it's going to take some time for them to climb out. But if you notice here, it hung out above this 1250 range for not only 3, but also for the last 5 years. So great upside potential as their revenue starts to increase, which it is. The price will start to increase, and as the price starts to increase, so will the dividend. This here is a dividend history. We see what happened back in 2020. We see that it bounced back in 2021, went from 12 cents total revenue dividend payout to 35 cents. So far in 2022, we're at 9 cents. I think that's going to be higher. I think 2022 is definitely going to be higher than 2021. Now, their next earnings will come out on the 22nd of February. And we see what the 3 analysts are saying. One is going to say it could range anywhere from 7 to 10 cents earnings per share. This is my current position within IVR. I have a total of 3,800 positions. We've already seen this information up here. My goal is to accumulate 5,000 shares of IVR by the end of this year. And this here is my tracker that I'm going to use to get there. And as you can see, gives a total 3,800 total shares. This here is my cost basis. This is how much I pay. My actual cost basis out of pocket, current value of the stock, and return on investment here. Profit of 343, 3% return. That's this side. As I buy, all I do is update this information. Everything else is automatically updated. My goal is 5,000 shares. I have 1,199 shares left. This is the cost for me to get there. Now, of these 3,800 shares, if you notice at 9% on a quarterly basis, my next projected dividend payout, which is going to be in April, we already got January, it's going to be in April, should be $342.09. I have the drip set up, so it's automatically going to buy shares. And this amount here will buy me an additional 128 additional shares. Now, just this additional shares from the drip, 128, that's going to equate to an extra $45 per year, which you can break that down to $3.83 a month. And my quarterly dividend payout should increase by $11.49. This here is just where I track the number of shares that are purchased from each time they pay out a dividend.
So there you have it, a high yield dividend paying stock with great upside potential. Guys, I'll keep you posted on my progress with this. So with that being said, guys, always remember, save, invest, and apply what you know, because knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge is power. Guys, I will see you on the next update video. Take care. Bye-bye.